Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to handle shipping charges on eBay. So first of all, open eBay application on your device and then go to selling section at the bottom side of the screen and then open the listing that you want to edit. I will use mine from drafts. So now we have opened the listing summary page, and here scroll down to the shipping section. Tap this pen icon to enable editing mode, and here you can enter your package details, but I have chosen I don't know the package details, and you need to select a shipping service. So here are many options to choose from. So this is economy services, standard services, and some other services. Here you can see. So those are the shipping services. And one more thing, that you can use the tool calculate shipping. So go to your browser. Type this calculate shipping cost eBay and open this shipping calculator website. And here again, enter the package size, so its weight, dimensions, and the country the package will be shipped from, and the country the delivery will be shipped to. So I will enter now some random data. Don't mind those zip codes, I don't even know if they are real. So it's just to show you as an example. So then, after you entered your package size and information about the countries, press this blue button, see shipping services. Here check if the shipping details are correct. And then you need to select the shipping service basically. So for example, I want to choose UPC, and here to see different shipping services, change the size and weight. So I will adjust it in a moment and I will come back to you. Okay, so in theory now it should work. So you can see that I have just one option for USBC delivery, but for your package you should see here the whole list of shipping services. By the way, we have video on our channel how to calculate shipping cost, and there you can see how I do it, because here is this some problem with dimensions of my package, but okay, anyway. So this is the calculated shipping, and if you, for example, ship internationally, so you should enable the option for international shipping. If it will allow me, I will show you. So no, here is no option to choose international shipping, but here you should have this slider next to the sentence international shipping, and then you move the slider to the right like this. Here you see to the right, and then you can select international delivery. And once your shipping details are set, tap done button to save all changes, and then review all your listing and publish it by pressing this button, list your item. So that's basically how we can handle shipping charges on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon, bye bye.